Have you ever wondered why there are mirrors near lifts in hotel lobbies? What was happening in mid-20th century in New York City, after the initial fascination with elevators waning off, tenants were complaining that elevators were taking too long to go up and down. In one particular building, the tenants were threatening to break their leases and walk out. The building management contacted the engineers of the elevator company. A study was done and confirmed that elevators were actually taking too long going up and down, but also confirmed that because of the aging of the building, elevators could not be replaced. The desperate manager called a staff meeting, brainstormed, but there was a recently hired graduate in psychology sitting amongst them, and he came up with a brilliant solution. He reframed the problem, saying that actually the waiting time was not too long, but it seemed very long. So what can we do to make it seem shorter? And then came up with the solution of installing mirrors outside the lifts. His logic was very clear. Give people who are bored standing outside something fascinating to look at, and what could be more fascinating than themselves? The simple solution was not only effective in reducing the complaint, but so cost effective too. Learnings? If you reframe the problem, you certainly have a different solution. Initial problem was the elevators were too slow. Reframe the problem as people are bored and you have to give them something engaging to do as a solution.